Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home sits on 0.36 acres of land. This is a rare opportunity to purchase the perfect family home for you. Located just minutes outside of Mandeville town, this home is located in a quiet neighborhood known as George Valley with low maintenance yard. It comes with paved road, spacious veranda, open living, dining and kitchen area. This newly refurbished home is a great buy. Don't miss this opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 37 million or US $240.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.